This is the Digital Dreams new 2024 Sprinter. We're getting it wrapped. We had the other van, the 2023 Sprinter. One of our techs scratched the whole side of it, so now we have to get that repaired before we get it wrapped. We've had that one for about a year and never got it wrapped, so we're now finally getting them both done here. We're getting it wrapped here at One2 Wraps. The guy who owns this whole building, Bill McAnally, is one of our customers too. So a long time ago, we installed this camera down there, and across this whole property. I think there's like 36 cameras at this actual address. Yeah, between like, 2 or 3 of these buildings here on this whole property. But our last van, we had the Digital Dreams logo, like a sticker on it, but this time they printed it all as one. The 2024 Sprinter, we just got the inside upgraded from the metal panel that came stock from Mercedes to match the same 2023. We got the bins. We went overboard on the shelves this time, so I'm probably gonna take some of these out. Some of these probably get taken out and we'll put the drills and stuff there too. But that's done, but we just got this guy wrapped. So this is our new color scheme, as you've seen on the mattresses, and then now we're doing them on the Sprinters. We got damage on the other Sprinter. We have to replace the whole door, knock out the corner panel, then we're gonna wrap that one. But yeah, it looks good. This one happens to be diesel because Mercedes doesn't make any more gas. It's the only diesel car we own, so I made this thing green so none of the guys put gas in there. I hope not by accident.
Green for gas.
Green for gas, yeah. Green for diesel, guys. I'm Ben with Digital Dreams and I'm out of here.